Look like we are in the jungle. We came to see plants. So this is more like a zoo for plants. In here you find all type of plants and their names and their history. Like if you are a plant lover, this is the right place for you to come to. It's all these plants, they have really funny names. Wow. Yes. What?
Look at the picture here.
What is this? America.
They are not fake. They are fake plants.
They are not fake. They are real plants.
So where is it like that?
It's a real plant. You look for the name here. Here is the name of all the plants. This is kind of like a zoo for plants. So you find their names. Look, this one is called Podocarpus totara. Calismo cosinus.
This one is
Amani, say hello. Nata, say coucou.
Coucou. On va marcher sur tout le rocher.
Oh, look at this one. Wow. No, don't touch it. What is the name of this one? It's called Ophobia mili amperata.
Animals are not sick.
Look like we are in the jungle. We came to see plants. So this is more like a zoo for plants. So different kind of plants and their names. What? Look. Yes. What? Yeah. This one look like bitter leaf.
This one. That's a side.
So guys, this one is looking like bitter leaf. This one is looking like sunflower.
I don't have to touch it.
So guys, this is a plant zoo. In here you find all type of plants and their names and their history. Like if you are a plant lover, this is the right place for you to come to. Look at this one. This one look like a green plant, like that one that you can use to make your soup. Take a look at all these little children.
Head of animal.
So guys, this one is plantain, banana leaf. Oh my gosh, this is plantain or banana leaf. This one look like water leaf. Wow. Now water leaf is like epinard. It's like spinach.
What is this?
Take a look at that. Wow. It's okay. It's not. This is not the name. This is the name.
Let me look at it.
Look at this. Look at guava. Guys, this is guava. Look. Look at that statue. Look. You cannot see it.
There was water. There's also another one.
There's another one here. Come and look at Pierre. This is avocado.
Oh my God, good.
Where is the plant?
Oh, mommy, I noticed.
What did they call it? Le shack.
Yes, inside there's like rice.
Ah,
So you do like that and it will be doing this.
And then what is this one?
Look like xylophone.
This one is le logage des plantes. Plants and music. And I think you have to press here. It's not working?
Not good.
So guys, yeah, this is our first time of actually coming to this place. Yeah, wow, look at it. Beautiful.
Mommy, look, I'm doing
We
this.
always come to Parc de la Tête d'Or, but we did not even know that place like this exists. We just saw people entering it today and we were like, okay, let's see what is happening.
Mommy,
It's actually like a zoo, but with plants. It's not animal. Look, it's a plant. It's like a stick. I don't know. So guys, let's go now. You people still want to see or we go? Ali, let's take a walk so that you people can go and play later.
Yeah.
So guys, hello and welcome back. Yeah, this vlog was not planned. So guys, in case you're new here, my name is Teresa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France. Ali, let's go. It's called the Jardin Botanique de Lyon Botanical Garden of Lyon. Ali, let's go. And the kids say this is a pineapple. Look at the name. It's called Phonis canarensis. It's all these plants. They have really funny names. Oh my gosh.
Please, mommy, please.
No, I'm not. No. I hate buying nothing.
That's why you take trips about it.
Yeah, that's why I picked things for you guys. Nata, say hello.
Hello.
I want to say hello.
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 Hola.
Hola.
It means hello. Is
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
in that place they sing.
Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás?
Mommy.
Oh, yeah, it's so beautiful. It's the beauty of autumn. Oh my God, I'm admiring this tree. Amani is just looking at me like, what is this? What is beautiful now? What do you guys think?
I don't know what is it.
My daughter says it's just leaf that is orange, but it's beautiful. This is the beauty of autumn. Look at the ground, so beautiful. Look at the ground, guys. This is the beauty of autumn. I think autumn is my best season, guys. Autumn. I said spring before, now I'm changing. But it's almost the same thing. Spring and autumn, they are almost the same thing. Oh, wow, take a look at that, guys. Beautiful. 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 So this is a botanic garden of Lyon.
What?
This is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. Nata, you will fall down, eh? Shenanigans. This is a beautiful garden. Take a look at all those plants. Man, this weather, the weather don't be here. Oh. There is cold, but what to do now? What to do? You can't stay indoor like every day. The kids are going to like get bored, and it's not even real winter yet. Imagine. Hey, tushpa. Look at this one. It's called the Cereus repandus monstruosus. Tushpa sapik. The botanical. Wow, take a look at that view at the back there. So beautiful. What, Mama? It's okay, let's go. It's cold, eh? The weather is so cold. Wow. What?
Mama got my biscuit.
You come at the car.
Mommy, you can hold it.
This look like okra.
Mommy, you can hold it. Mommy.
Hmm?
Yeah.
truc, c'est qu'on les a mis un petit peu, mais en fait, ils ont sélectionné ceux qui étaient les plus colorés parce que c'est les plus...